Daily use sentences. Health. I am feeling great today. I am feeling great today. How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? Did you get a lot of sleep? Did you get a lot of sleep? I am feeling dizzy. I am feeling dizzy. I have a headache. I have a headache. I need to take some medicine for my cold. I need to take some medicine for my cold. Do you have any allergy? Do you have any allergies? I am allergic too. I am allergic too. I am going to see the doctor for checkup. I am going to see the doctor for checkup. My friend is in the hospital. My friend is in the hospital. School. What time is our next class? What time is our next class? Do we have any test homework coming up? Do we have any test homework coming up? What's the due date for the essay? What's the due date for the essay? Can you explain this concept of me again? Can you explain this concept to me again? Do you want to be partner for the group project? Do you want to be the partner for the group project? The teacher is absent today, so we have a substitute. The teacher is absent today, so we have a substitute. Excuse me, do you know where the library is? Excuse me, do you know where the library is? Does anyone have an extra sheet of paper? Does anyone have an extra sheet of paper? Can I borrow a pen, please? Can I borrow a pen, please? When is our next break? When is our next break? I have a question about the lesson. I have a question about the lesson. The school bus is waiting outside. The school bus is waiting outside. I finished my assignment early. I finished my assignment early. We have a field trip next month. We have a field trip next month. I need to return these library books. I need to return these library books. I have soccer practice after school. I have soccer practice after school. Can I join the art club? Can I join the art club? Weather. It's hot and humid today. It's hot and humid today. I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. The forecast says it will be cloudy. The forecast says it will be cloudy. It's already drizzling outside. It's already drizzling outside. I am looking toward to warmer weather. I am looking toward to warmer weather. The weather forecast is predicting thunderstorm. The weather forecast is predicting thunderstorm. Thanks for watching my video.